Hello, and welcome to our webinar, Vertiv, World-Class Sales Engineering Support in a Hybrid World, brought to you by Vertiv. I'm your host, Katie Bavoso from the Channel Company. The pandemic has dramatically accelerated business transformation, driving the workforce to embrace a digital world. Now, for many of us, we've shifted into a hybrid world of virtual and in-person work environments. This new business environment, combined with global supply chain and geopolitical dynamics, can bring about many challenges for channel partners selling and delivering digital infrastructure solutions. But with Vertiv, partners do not have to face these challenges alone. Vertiv continues to invest in world-class engineering, not only in terms of product innovations from their lithium-ion power backup solutions to next-generation IT management platforms, but also investing in experienced people. The Vertiv technical sales engineering team is well-positioned to help partners design solutions and support partner services to meet the growing demands of customers in this modern world. For more on this, I'm now joined by Natalie Reagans, Director of Channel Technical Sales Engineering in North America for Vertiv. Welcome, Natalie.
Welcome, Katie. Thank you for having me with you today.
Thank you so much for being here. I'm excited to get started. So let's jump into it with our very first segment, the Vertiv value. So question one, Natalie, let's take a moment to first talk about Vertiv. For those who may not know much about you, what solutions does Vertiv offer the channel and what verticals do your partners typically touch?
Very good question. So yes, Vertiv offers IT infrastructure management solution to our partners. So think of it as all the products needed to keep your IT equipment running. So you need to keep your servers, your network devices, your storage systems power on, even in a situation of power outage. It needs to be cool with proper airflow management. And then obviously you need to remotely manage it, even when your primary network is down. So it's almost like a cocoon around your IT equipment, keeping it online to maintain business continuity. So how do we do that? We offer single phase UPS products with lithium-ion battery technology, both line interactive and online double conversion UPS technology. We have rack power distribution units, rack with integrated cooling, and then the console KVM management platform to perform any type of IT system administrative task remotely. So we allow you to monitor and manage it all remotely through a browser. So really cover the entire spectrum. So our solution are used, in fact, in all verticals, Katie. And we have definitively seen an increase in demand for our products in the past couple of years with highly distributed IT environment, refer to it as sometimes edge application. So you find this edge application predominantly in the retail space, healthcare, the SLED, specifically schools, and financial sector. So companies in these verticals are accelerating their business transformation as a direct consequence of the pandemic. We're all familiar with remote learning, remote working, remote shopping, and all the many virtual services offered by healthcare and financial providers.
I like the term cocoon, and I'm sure during this day and age, like you said, the pandemic has affected so much and created so much opportunity, especially with that remote access. So let's also ask, what value does Vertiv offer partners, businesses, and what value do channel partners bring to Vertiv?
So we pride ourselves with being easy to do business with. What that means is that we can sell with you, we can sell for you, and we can sell through you. We had the best sales and technical team in the industry ready to engage at any levels of a sales cycle. It could be the qualification, the configuration, the validation of a solution, the complete solution. My team can assist you with any question you might have on any Vertiv channel products, the UPS, the racks, the PDU, the IT management piece. We can get on a call with your client to present the solution. We can do a high level or a deep dive demo on our products so that the customer is informed and understand the breadth of what we offer and the value of what we offer. So another key aspect of the value we bring to the partners is sometimes people refer to it as one throat to choke. I prefer to say one-stop shop. And what that means is that we provide turnkey IT infrastructure management solution. It means that we combine and we integrate hardware equipment, software solutions, but also services. So we can help you install, configure, maintain, monitor, and even replace all equipment. It's a true IT turnkey solution. I would say in terms of what value do channel partners bring to Vertiv? So it's very simple. We sell exclusively this product through the channel. Partners are considered the trusted advisors to CIOs and IT directors that are looking for options. But more importantly, they are looking for recommendation, for your guidance on assembling the right technology and the right team behind you to execute on their strategy. So obviously, you have these relationships, you have access to the decision makers, and we want to partner with you on these projects.
Thank you so much for that introduction to Vertiv, Natalie. It brings us right into our second segment, challenges in the channel. Natalie, what are you hearing from your partners right now in terms of challenges that they're facing in this current hybrid work environment world?
Yeah, so it is not an easy time right now. So when we look back, for the past 2 years, the pandemic has disrupted not only our life, but also the way we work. Customers were not able to meet in person. They had to work remotely. So our position has always been to meet you where you are. So we've invested in labs, virtual labs, POC, virtual POC environment where customers and partners can experience the solution. It's called the see and test drive. It's like buying a car, right? And it's all guided by experts, or if you prefer, you can experience it at your own pace. So that's really one key thing that we bring to the partners. The other thing is like many vendors, obviously, we are navigating these supply chain issues. I mean, no one is really protected or sheltered from it. We also have, we have to navigate shortage of, semiconductors, components, steel. But the way we're trying to address that or help our partners is we always look at a project with, okay, what is the best, the better, or the good solution? There are always options and alternate options as well. So when you come to us with the specs, we look at, okay, what is the deadline for the project? What do we have available today? And how can we fulfill that request? So we work with you. I mean, at the end of the day, our utmost priority is your customer satisfaction and experience with our solution, and making sure that they and you can meet the customer deadlines. That's really, my team play a critical role in that, in solutioning and in, really looking at all the different options and providing the best answer today to your customer.
Natalie, recently you told me that more and more partners are looking for truly turnkey solutions from their vendors. What does Vertiv do to provide a white glove service to meet and exceed these expectations?
Excellent question. So white glove service, Katie, it really means taking care of all aspects of a project that we have under our control. So what that means is start since the beginning. So you have to first select the right product, make sure that we can meet the client deadline, look at the shipping, the delivery of the equipment. Could be, couple location, it could be thousands locations. So we look at all of that, and then supporting the deployment of the technology and servicing the equipment. So the white glove service means that we can cover all these different aspects of a project. It's really a la carte. You decide, what makes sense for the client. We offer insurance package services with our single phase UPS and rack PDU, and which consists of, Vertiv technicians and services team installing, configuring, maintaining, supporting, and even servicing the equipment. So if there's any problem during the 5 years window that you own our equipment, and you need a technician to go on site to repair, replace, fix an issue, we can dispatch a technician in a few hours. So that's part of our white glove service.
So, Natalie, last year, Vertiv experienced significant growth in the retail vertical. What have your partners working in this sector needed from Vertiv to continue to thrive during this challenging time?
Yeah, so many retailers, in fact, during the pandemic, took advantage of that time to upgrade their IT infrastructure to provide what I call the superior digital shopping experience to their customers. So we had several national retailers that upgraded, the entire IT environment at these remote locations. So that means new servers, new network infrastructure, increase their compute and network capacity. So with that new IT equipment they were looking for power distribution units and backup power and the ability to manage everything remotely. It's adding more intelligence at the edge, really. So you're able to perform everything remotely without having to send someone to a store or having a technician at that remote site. So we were able to really provide them with our latest rack PDU offering that has switching and outlet level metering capabilities built in. They selected many of them, our latest online double conversion GXT5 UPS, and they bundle that, combine that with the ability, our monitoring platform to monitor all this equipment through our cloud-based monitoring platforms. So these were exciting projects that were only possible because our partners tap into all the resources that Vertiv offer. It goes from the breadth and depth of our portfolio combined with teams of experts to execute on it.
So, similar to what we just talked about in the retail space, Vertiv has also seen success in education. And in relation to that E-rate program, and for those of you who aren't sure what that is, we do have a part in the integration episode on that with Vertiv as well. But can you give me some success stories, maybe one of your partners who was working in this space has experienced?
Very good. Yeah, exciting project last year. One of the largest school districts in the US had an E-rate bid for a multi-million-dollar tech refresh project for all their network closets. And in that project, it included single-phase UPS. In general, schools don't have the resources, the technical expertise to really maintain all this equipment and configure it properly across all their campuses. So really the partner understood their needs and requirements and knew that offering a turnkey solution with solid proven products bundled with their managed services will be instrumental in winning this bid. So the partner recommended our PSI5 lithium-ion UPS, which is our latest and greatest online single-phase UPS, combined with our cloud-based monitoring platform, allowing the partner to monitor the fleet of this UPS for the client. So the partner won this project because they solve a problem for the client. My team has been supporting the partner during every phase of this project. So it goes from speccing the right UPS, evaluating and assisting the partners in looking at different monitoring options, helping them to get familiar with it through the onboarding process. So they are a very valued partner to us and they are treated as such.
That now brings us into segment 3, Make Intelligent Bets with Vertiv. Natalie, talk to me about the depth and breadth of the Vertiv portfolio. How does this help your partners stand out from the competition?
Yeah, so the power of Vertiv is really the combination and integration of all these power brands that we are known for. So you might be familiar with Liebert, leader into the UPS space, also air conditioning. I mean, they've been in business for decades. Geist is our flagship brand for rack PDUs, and then Avasant on the IT management side of it. So all these different brands come together and combine, create these solutions for customers. Being able to integrate but not propose this solution as silo products, but as an integrated solution, I think that's a key differentiator for the partners, because now you can cover the entire spectrum. You can go from offering power backup and conditioning solution, power distribution with outlet level switching and metering capabilities, thermal solution integrated in our cabinet to keep your IT equipment cool and vented. And then obviously the technology, the Avison technology to remotely troubleshoot and control your IT equipment like if you were on site. So being able to solve so many problems for your customers, I think make the partners stand out really from the competition.
As we look to prepare for a post-pandemic hybrid work world, how can Vertiv help partners build a stronger, more resilient business that is ready to thrive?
Yeah, thank you, Katie. So really, your customers are looking for answers, guidance, and solution. And we all know knowledge is power. So Vertiv is launching a partner certification program to give you the confidence, the knowledge, product knowledge, and access to resources to promote our solution. We've invested in our demo labs who are accessible remotely or in person, so you can showcase our integrated solution in a live environment. We can also replicate that in your briefing center, so you can do your own demos, you can show the technology in action and test them with your own engineers. So many options on how to bring the technology, the solutions to your customers so they can make an informed decision. That's really how you can build a stronger, more resilient businesses, because you provide all these solutions and solve these problems for your customers.
Natalie, Vertiv has once again been awarded a 5-star rating in the 2022 CRN Partner Program Guide. Congratulations, first of all.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Where can potential partners go to learn more about the benefits of joining the Vertiv ecosystem? And just generally tell me, why is it so important for them to explore this?
Absolutely. So any partners can join our partner program you can find information on partners.vertiv.com. The benefits of joining this program is you'll have access to a dedicated sales support team, to sales selectors and configurators, and you can learn more about our portfolio. You can also take full advantage of our deregistration and incentive program. So please, don't miss on it. Again, just go on partners.vertiv.com and you'll be able to register for it.
Natalie, thank you so much for your time today. It's been such a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you, Katie, for having me. It was really a great experience.
Thank you again. And thanks to you at home for joining us. If you'd like to learn more, you can visit the URL on your screen. Once again, I'm Katie Bavoso. Thanks for watching.